Now that you join Networkers List, your first goal should be try to get your 2 sales as soon as possible within the first month. This way your $20 monthly is paid for and you won't have to worry about that. Now they just recently added Automatic Builder. Because Automatic Builder used to be a separate entity from Networkers List, but it's now included in your Networkers List back office. And what it is it allows you to have a capture page and follow-up emails. So click on Automatic Builder, and I'm not sure how it appears in your back office since I already had Automatic Builder, but it says click the link to get your complimentary Automatic Builder Direct Pay Combination Package. There's 2 packages. There's $27 one time and a $47 one time. The combination package is the $47, and that's the one that includes extra landing pages and the Networkers List capture page. So somewhere's maybe down here or right here, you can click on this to get your complimentary Automatic Builder. Now once you do that, make sure you enter your username in the affiliate ID username field below. Maybe it's down here, and then click on submit. Okay, the Automatic Builder, once you log in, you'll see this page. Make sure you set up your direct pay here and direct pay methods so you can get paid. As of this video, I'm not sure if you can promote Automatic Builder and receive $27 or $47 instant payments. But anyway, set up your payment buttons. PayPal and Stripe are both automatic approval and redirect, so you won't have to do anything else if you select any of these. I'm not sure what Wave, I'm not familiar with Wave, but if you select Venmo, Cash App, GPay, and Zelle, you'll have to manually send a follow-up message. There you go. I clicked on Venmo. You must send the appropriate success sign-up page after you get paid. They don't have the $7 pack anymore, so don't worry about that. The $27 pack, make sure you send this following message. Same thing with the $47 combo pack. Okay, so again, PayPal and Stripe are automatic setup. Not setup, but automatic payment acceptance and redirect to the success page. Okay, with Automatic Builder access and the $47 combo pack, you have access to, like I said, different capture pages for Networkers List. Go to Resources, Capture Landing Pages, and here's the capture pages, 6 capture pages and 31 landing pages. If you're going to be just doing ads, I recommend the capture pages. These are all for Automatic Builder, and here's the 2 for Networkers List. This one, I recommend this one because it redirects to the Networkers List pay plan, and there's one button, whereas this one redirects to Networkers List pay plan, but it has 2 buttons, Networkers List and Automatic Builder. It might confuse your prospect if you're advertising for Networkers List. Okay, so use this one and they'll be redirected to just access the Networkers List button. If you're dealing with people you know, warm market, you have different capture pages. Again, this is all automatic builder. So we have the Networkers List here. You can click on it and see what it looks like. Same thing with these two. Okay, remember the capture page with the one button Networkers List that looks like this, and the other one redirects to a 2 button. So you can play around with those. Oh, again, the same thing for the capture pages. You can click on it and see. So as long as you have a good enough ad for your prospect to click on, they'll watch the video and enter their information. If you want to know what the email follow-ups look like, just go to autoresponder messages. These are for the Networkers List prospects. You want to know how they read, just click on the magnifying glass. Okay, you have an idea of how it reads. Oh, I forgot. Let me clarify. These autoresponder follow-ups, it is not included with the combo pack. The combo pack only allows you to have extra capture pages and landing pages. So if you can get your Networkers List 2 sales done in the first month, your monthly cost is free and your capture pages are free. Now getting back to the autoresponder messages, it's a $7.95 monthly cost to have these autoresponder messages, but I think it's worth it for that price, especially if you can get your first 2 sales for Networkers List take out of the way in the first month. Then you'll only have $7.95 monthly costs for these autoresponder messages or follow-ups, and your contacts will appear right here under View Contacts. So to get your URL, just click on the page, like this capture page, and get your URL up here. Oh, I just noticed you can't see my browser, so up in your browser window you'll see your URL. Now there's another option as of the shooting of this video, since it just added this automatic builder access last night. I'm not sure if they'll allow these advanced tracking. If not, it's an additional $19.95. I forgot if it's monthly or one time. But this will allow you to see where your leads and signups, what ad source they're coming from. Okay, so that would fall under resources, advanced tracking. As you can see, I'm already using it. I have a different tracking for different ad sources I use. Very easy to use. Let's say you're using a solo ad provider, Bob. Bob Solo. Set up tracking. Go to your capture pages. And you want to use this one, just assign to tracking. Click on assign to tracking and save changes. So if you come down here, this will be the link that you use in your solo ad. Okay, so as you can see, it's got your username. This is the automatic builder Networkers List capture page, your username, and the tracking. And if you want to see how it's doing, just click on this graph here. You'll see how many clicks you get and amount of opt-ins. So for example, contacts, I believe this guy came up. Okay, your tracking would appear here. So this guy clicked on my signature in my email. Alright, this gal. This is another ad source that I use, million leads for free. Okay, so when you get back with them or you contact them, at least you can relate back to, yeah, you clicked on my ad on million leads or whatever. And it also gives you an idea of what ad source, especially if you're using multiple solo ads, where your leads came from. And like I said, I'm not sure as of the shooting of this video whether it's going to be included, but it is an extra $19.95. I'm not sure if it's monthly or one time, but to me this is a business, and if it'll help you have a better idea of where your leads are coming from, which lead source is more effective, I think it's worth it.